Hey guys, so we are on our last lesson for topic 15. It's 15-3 and it's called Analyze and Graph Relationships. So remember earlier I said that you would need to know how to graph ordered pairs for topic 15. Well, this is the lesson that we're going to do that, okay? And also do numerical or find numerical patterns. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, so here we go. It says, here's your solve and share for 15-3, and you want to be able to analyze patterns and graph ordered pairs generated from number sequences. So let's see what our problem is. It says a bakery can fit either 6 regular muffins or 4 jumbo muffins in a box. Each box will contain either regular or jumbo muffins. Complete the table to show how many of each muffin will fit in 2, 3, or 4 boxes. Then generate ordered pairs and graph them. Okay, so there's a lot of different tasks here. Let's start with completing the table first. So I'm going to get my pencil here. And let's do regular muffins. So for regular muffins, it said that it has 6 to a box. So for one box, there's 6 regular muffins. So how many would there be for 2 boxes? Well, remember, if we're thinking back from topic 1 and 2, what's the rule for regular muffins? So regular muffins, the rule is to add 6. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that here. So all we're gonna do is add 6 because each box has 6 muffins in it. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. And yes, you're probably thinking, Mrs. Johnson, you could just do 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. Yes, you can. Remember, addition is just multiplication is just repeated addition. Okay, now let's do the jumbo muffins. All right, so how many did they say? How many jumbo muffins fit in a box? Go back to the problem. Or look at the table. Hopefully you said 4, so our rule is going to be add 4. Okay, so they already did the first box for us and they have 4. The second box, we could do 4 times 2, which is 8, or we just add 4. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, so now we completed the table. Now what we need to do is then generate ordered pairs. And then finally, after we generate our ordered pair, we're going to graph them. Okay, so all right, so these are our regular muffins, and our jumbo muffins is how we're going to generate our ordered pair. So let's see here. Remember, our order pair has parentheses. So we're going to do our regular muffins are going to be X, the X coordinate, excuse me, and the jumbo muffins are going to be the Y coordinate. So we're looking at one box first. So for one box, regular muffins has 6 and jumbo muffins has 4. So there's our first ordered pair. For 2 boxes, regular muffins has 12 and jumbo muffins has 8. Okay. Now for 3 boxes, regular muffins has 18 and jumbo muffins has 12. And for 4 boxes, regular muffins has 24 and jumbo muffins has 16. Bada bing, bada boom. So we have our 4 ordered pairs. So what I did before I started this lesson is I clicked this little tool icon, and you see where it says math tools right there, and it came up with our coordinate grid. Okay, so I'm going to use this, move this over a little bit, and I don't know if you guys have this or not, that little toolbox, but if you do, I suggest that you use it to kind of help you. Okay, so I'm going to put in my first order pair. So X is 6 and Y is 4. Okay, and then I just click on this green dot and it plots it for me. It goes over 6, up 4. Okay, our next one for 2 boxes is 12, 8. Okay, and there it is. And our next one is for 3 boxes, 18, 12. Okay, and then our next and last box for 4 boxes is 24 and 16. Did it plot it? Let's see, 24. Oh, we need to make our graph bigger. That I don't know how to do. Let's see. Well, if we did 24, we would go about right here and go up to right about 16, right? So that 16 is right here. So it'd be right about here. So if you're looking at our graph, our coordinate grid, you should see a pattern here, okay? So what can you multiply 6 by to get 4? That's a tricky question. What can you multiply 6 by to get 4? So you know it's going to be less than 1. So hopefully you said that it's 2/3. You have to multiply 6, or you have to multiply 6 times 2/4. Okay, sorry about that. Let me continue here. Let me go back to our graph. So what I was saying is that you can multiply 6 by 4. Excuse me. You can multiply 6 by 4. Gosh, I can't even think. You could do 6 times 2/3 to get 4. So that means the relationship between the number of regular muffins and the number of jumbo muffins is 2/3 the number of regular muffins, because 6 times 2/3 equals 4. So that is the relationship between the jumbo muffins and the regular muffins, okay? Okay, so basically what we're adding new here is just the making ordered pairs from our table and then graphing them on the coordinate grid, which is what you guys reviewed in topic 14. So if you have any questions, just let me or Mr. Kent know. All right, have a good day.